third time I am with I'm so with it.
Cultural festivity.
Yeah.
ऐसे लिखना.
Cultural.
Independence Day cultural activities participated. ऐसे clear. Event management. क्या केस में?
I have
Event management from college.
kind of both school and college.
To organize something.
I organize multiple events.
हाँ right. Organized cultural activity of school, college, annual function, annual show. कुछ तो क्या हो? उसको डिटेल में जगह जगह नीचे आ जाए. सारा भर इसमें.
Okay.
छोड़ मत. अगर किया इतना कुछ तो लिख. Event management लिखने से नहीं होगा. Head coordinator of various events.
Okay.
इसको थोड़ा elaborate करना पड़ेगा, है ना?
Okay.
Because it will go to not only to interviewer, it will also go to psychologists. So you should know, yeah, you are a very active guy. You have to do sort of lot of events and all. ठीक है?
Okay.
Treasure hunt तो ऐसे ही. House vice captain, ठीक है? Member of
Electoral Infinity Club.
member of Baba.
Baba Tehilda Sports Club.
Very good. Member से क्या हो गया?
Like member secretary लिख दो secretary position. Secretary position.
Are you secretary or member?
I am member but I could write it. And I
No,
because
don't write it.
I know all the
No wrong. So as a member, there is no, so you can avoid that. Twice you have been and screened in every time or screened out?
Screened out.
Both the times.
Yes.
Have you understood the concept?
Yes.
अभी screening हो जाएगा?
Yes. Sir.
पक्का?
Confirm.
Confirm?
Yes.
कब है अभी?
At 10th of July.
ठीक है. Placement का हो कुछ?
Yes, sir. I have placed twice, but I have placed in a sales and management department, marketing department. So I left it and joined the internship in a maintenance department at Asmeris Limited.
तो यहाँ पे लिखना फिर कहाँ पे है? कहाँ जो है?
Asmeris Limited.
लिखना.
But I have not paid there. It's an unpaid internship.
Doing internship.
Yes.
खुल के बोलो.
Yes.
फोल्ड मत कर, सोच मत, दिमाग मत लगा.
So
ठीक है?
yes.
Free. Freer the better. More you apply your mind, your interview will go haywire. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Jashan.
Good morning, sir.
Next 40 minutes we talk more about you. We'll cover area like your education, family, spare time interest, etc. in detail. I've got a good idea after going through your PIQ, but now I want you to speak freely about yourself and your activities in much greater detail. Starting with education, suppose you tell me about your education. I am more interested in knowing about percentage of marks that is scored in various examinations from 10th to the present level. Subject that you chose after class 10th, further studies, and about your future career options. Talk about your participation in extracurricular activity and games, achievements in those fields that you have. Mention the friend circle that you move with while at school and college, your close friends, who are they, what are their names. You consider them as your close friends, the qualities. Teacher whom you like, those who fail your questions, and any difficulty in financing education so far, any financial difficulty. Go ahead.
Sir, I have been good in academics since the beginning. Subjects, I have scored
From 10th.
from 10th. I have done my schooling from St. Carlos School, Katri, from the beginning, and in 10th I have scored 91% marks, and in 12th I have scored 84% marks with PCM, and in BTech I have done in electrical trade specifically, and I have scored there 75.8% marks. Talking about my extracurricular activities, I have been actively participated in the extracurricular activities, which include the event management parts, as I have been the vice captain of Crash House, and I have to assign duties to all the students so that everyone could engage in it. Apart from it, I have been participated many times in Independence Day celebrations, where I have been assigned various roles, and I do my best there. Including it, I have done the theatre theatre in college, where we have bagged third position. Including it, I have done. I have been my.
Sports, future career options, difficulties in financing education, teacher.
In sports, I have played kabaddi at the various levels during the interzonal level also, but at the college level during the interzonal festival, where we have participated multiple times, and multiple times also I have participated in the chess competition, where I have participated in the interzonal part. Apart from it, we play volleyball in our village ground as casually, and sometimes we went to tournament in other villages. And apart from it, I have now I am keen interested in football, as we in the village play football regularly nowadays. My future career options are join armed forces.
Okay,
If not, I first option is my joining armed forces. If I in a certain chance I did not get it, so I will go to clearing gate exam to join PSPCL as SG.
you'll go for GATE exam.
Yes, sir.
TES entry was based on what? 12 marks.
Yes, sir. 12th and JEE marks.
How much was the JEE means that you did?
I have scored the 70th percentile, and in +2 I have scored 84%.
So you live in a village,
Yes, sir.
and college was
College was in districts Fatehgarh Sahib.
away from you.
Yes, 60 kilometers.
So you're doing every day up down.
In summer I do up down, but in winters I sometimes stay there if because duration of day is less during that time. Winter.
Stay where?
In PG.
Achha, for winter you shift to PG.
Yes.
You didn't tell me your close friends.
In locality there are my many close friends, including Mitesh Singla. He is a bakery owner, and I have shared a great bond with him. He has started coming to this business recently, and we all friends stay by his side, and we do everything to
Spend your time in bakery or
No, sir. I have to give him time that he always supports me.
you eat his products also, free meal.
Yes, sometimes when we go for party, he do his part.
Party is only pastry or there is something else also?
Yes, sir. Pastry, pizzas, bakery, the whole bakery like.
No, Daru?
No, Daru.
Okay, good.
Actually, our friend circle is no alcoholic.
That's very good.
Even in college, we have all friend circle is no alcoholic.
That's very good. So Mitesh is one. And Mitesh correct?
Mitesh Singla and Sahil Diwan is from my school friend, and we have gone to various trips together. We share a good bond. Even my family knows each other very good. So even we fight with each other. Somehow we always have to settle our issues to meet again.
Somehow you have to settle your issues so that you can meet again.
Yeah, we have small fights and quarrels which makes our bond stronger even.
What kind of fights?
What kind of fight?
Hmm.
As I am very well organized, he is not. So I sometimes.
What makes you think you are very well organized?
Actually, I want everything clean and clean and hygienious in a way that it should be.
Clean and hygienious?
Yes, sir.
Means what?
Yes, sir.
Means what?
Means that I clear my bed sheet, and he even don't change the bed sheet for a month. When
Stay
we
together
yes, sometimes when we are staying in a hostel.
for graduation.
Yeah, some graduation PG.
Achha, PG, you both are in the same college.
Yes, sir.
So why is he into bakery now?
No, he is a silent man, and bakery one is a Mitesh Singla.
What's wrong with him?
Who, sir?
Mitesh.
No, he is a Bania, so he came into business.
He's a Bania?
Yeah.
He is a Bania.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Bania?
Bania. In our village, there are.
I mean, he's from that business community.
Yeah, business.
Why are you calling him Bania?
We all call him saying Malika. In his mind always money comes. Nah, when we doing calculation, then we leave it to him and he does everything, and we have leave on him to do everything.
And then we pay the share.
Yeah. The amount he told us to, we share anonymously.
Maybe he is making some error.
No.
Why no?
He is very honest.
I think he's honest.
Yeah, very honest.
So you're very clean sheet freak, you said? Clean freakness?
Yes, sir.
OCD?
Yes, sir.
Do you have OCD or something?
No.
The way you're talking.
Actually, my mother and Nani have made me a habit to keep my surroundings clean.
So none of your friends are going for armed forces preparation? You're the only one?
Yes, they don't even know about the entries and the armed forces, about how to enter.
How would they?
Yes, sir.
How come they don't know? They're from Punjab, they would be knowing.
They didn't think. They in a village, everyone wants to go to foreign or either doing business or some corporate.
You don't want to go to foreign?
No, sir.
Why?
Actually, we have two brothers, and my one younger sibling has already gone to Canada. So,
But that is what I was looking for. You have two brothers or one brother?
two brothers. We have two brothers.
Your total two brothers?
Yes.
So it means you have only one brother. It means
One should be in Canada.
So this younger one is in Canada?
Yes, sir.
So why have you not mentioned here? You've just mentioned student. Where is he studying?
So there is no space for it.
But he is a special student. He is not in India. So I am not able to make out here. So he is studying in Canada.
Yes, sir.
So I will come to your family later. So what is your friend's opinion about you as a person?
They found me disciplined, well organized, and they gave to when we are even we have recently we have the football tournament in a village which are all arranged by our age group, and there is one senior team also. We asked them to you should always be by our side, but let us do these things so that we could also learn how to arrange them. We know your contribution in this field. In this way, they found me disciplined, well organized.
One more thing I want to ask you before we go ahead. You did engineering.
Yes, sir.
You're not working, you're not planning to work.
In what sector?
You're not planning to work after this?
After an interview, as a
After engineering, you should go for some work. Placement, working in your field. That is not in your mind?
I have already placed in two companies in the sales and marketing department, so but I don't want to join this department. I want to in an operations department and maintenance. So I prefer to do the internship and assembly. So earlier also in the 6 weeks internship, I went to adjustment in the same department, maintenance and operations.
What operations?
Maintenance and operations, maintenance department.
So suppose you don't make it to armed forces, how will you progress your career?
Sir, I will prepare for GATE to and will.
You told me.
Yes, sir, yes. Actually, and will.
What is GATE?
GATE, sir, is general aptitude for test for engineering.
General or graduate?
Graduate, sorry. Graduate test for applying.
You don't know the full form of GATE?
Actually, I love this.
You loved what? You are going for GATE or?
No, sir.
Are you seriously
General
going?
graduate.
Are you seriously going for GATE?
Yes, sir, yes. I have even started.
How will you prepare for GATE?
Sir, initially and when I have started, then I go to YouTube to see to start mathematics and reasoning. I have started mathematics with Gurupal sir, Chamba sir, and reasoning with Christy classes. I have given one GATE attempt already, but I did not prepare very well. So
How much marks you got?
I got score only 10 out of 100.
After GATE, what are you looking for? PSU or for MTech?
SDU, sir. PSP and SDU. We have direct recruitment in SDU, PSPCL department. Punjab State Power Corporation.
As per the GATE score?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Which will be like 40 to 50.
And they will take you?
Yes, sir.
No other exam?
No.
Which department you said?
PSPCL. Punjab State Power Corporation Limited. Punjab State Power
So
Corporation.
just on your GATE score, they will absorb you as SDO?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
And what else? Any other organization which recruits on the basis of GATE you are aware?
Yes, sir. There are many PSUs.
What is the score required for that?
Score as great as it should be.
No, there has to be some. Like last time, how much was the cutoff?
I was keen to join PSP, sir. Only. After
The last time I was the cutoff for PSPCL.
it's 28.
No.
Yes, sir.
Such a low cutoff.
Yes, sir.
So since it is low cutoff,
As
that's
I-
why you want to join PSPCL?
No, sir. There is a thermal plant in our village. We are seeing it growing, so I am keen to join there to develop.
You want to live in a village only.
No, I am.
So why not prepare for ONGC also takes, maybe other PSUs, BHEL maybe ONG, this HPCL, BPCL, they also take.
They are all in my list, and
They are all in a list, but what is the requirement for that?
Gate score, sir. Well,
How much?
I don't know the exact cutoff, but as great as it should be. I need to score as great as it should be.
I understood. As greater it should be, can be 100 also. Like last year, how much was the?
I don't know the exact cutoff, sir.
You are not aware.
No, sir.
You just thought.
No, sir. I am keen to join SDU. No?
What is SDU?
SDU is sub-divisional officer.
Sub-divisional?
Officer.
So, that is your plan. Apart from that, any other plan?
Any other plan I would consider? Third plan, I want to go to non-merchant navy. Merchant navy.
Merchant Navy?
Yes, sir.
What will
as
happen?
PTO, sir.
Being an electrical engineer.
Yes.
So, what you need to do for that?
For that, sir, we have a course for 4 months, and we.
What is that course called? Like?
That I know. I have known that the duration of course is 4 months. Then we have training on ship. Then after that, we got a permit to join any ship all around the world. To join as a merchant navy officer, as electro PTO officer, electrotechnical officer.
There is no growth as an electrical technical officer. There is hardly any growth.
That I don't know, but I know that I want to get the adventure, so I could go there. Even I like to go in this sector.
What do your friends tell you about your weaknesses? What do they want you to improve? Do they really believe that you can be a defense officer?
They are just they curse me on my fitness only.
You are not fit. You are fit guy.
They want me to be more fit. And they all are fit, na?
They are more fit than you.
Yes, yes. Actually, they eat like me. They eat as much as I did. But they are fat. They did not increase in fat. But it did with me. But my
They are
fat-
not exercising.
They even don't exercise, sir. Yes, sir.
Why don't you exercise?
Now I started exercise. The last 3 months I have been. This is the first time I go for gym regular 3 months with my friends.
What do you do there?
We challenge each other to be fit, more fit.
How?
How means?
You do what? More cardio, more weights. What do you do there?
So on alternate days I do running and
Running how much?
running I did 5.5 kilometers in one go. I have done it twice.
Only thrice so
No,
far?
no, sir. I have do running on alternate days, but sir, this is limit I did twice, but
In how much time?
in 40 minutes.
You're running or walking?
So jogging. Yes, sir. For apart from it, on
What are your weaknesses in your own understanding? Where do you think you are lacking? Let's talk only about you as a armed forces officer. So in your assessment, what is missing link between you? What is standing between you and your dream of joining armed forces? And how are you?
according to my thinking, sir, I have good personality, but I lack in English speaking skills. Only.
Why?
Sir, I don't know. Even I think in mind good, but when I come to speak that thing, I love sometimes.
Can't you work on it?
Yes, sir, I am working on it.
How many more years it will take?
As I according to my perception, it would take 1 month only. Actually, even in the beforehand, I did not know. I don't have a surrounding that I could speak that with English, but I put some sentences, short sentences that I could speak clearly. But when I came to long sentence, I got blocked sometimes.
So
If
how are you working on?
I am there is my friend from Moga, Mr. Jaspreet Singh, and we are
Mr. Jaspreet Singh.
Jaspreet Singh.
Why are you calling him Mr.?
His personality because he is also.
You're impressed by him.
Yes, sir. He is good in everything.
What is everything?
He is keen interested in armed forces. He is my one friend who is only interested in armed forces, and
Is your classmate from college?
yes, sir.
Moga.
Moga.
How far is Moga from your place?
So Moga is like 120, sir.
So you speak to him.
Yes, sir. On call.
So he's a classmate, you call him Mr.
So he is a personality to have this designation.
Anybody calls you Mr.?
Me?
Hmm?
No. I am a humorous kind of person, so they call me.
Humorous people are not required in this world.
Yes, sir, they are required. but
Humorous people should not be called Mr.
I don't think so, sir. They have to call me. They have to call me, na. I don't. I don't force them to call me Mister.
Are you a casual person?
Casual person, sir. In what way?
You are saying I'm very humorous. What does it mean?
Sir, I want to make happiness in my surroundings. So even my name symbolizes this, Jashan happiness. So so I work on this.
Jashan Preet. What is the Preet here?
It's in a exact word is a love.
One who is in love with happiness.
Preet means love.
So Jashan Preet means?
Exact. When we take it together, it does not have meaning like Jashan is a happiness.
It doesn't have a meaning.
Jashan is a happiness, Preet is love, and Singh is shape. Love.
So happiness, love and king. Same.
They-
क्या बात हुई है?
They don't make correlation, na?
They make a correlation. You don't know it.
Maybe, sir.
Why?
I only symbolize to Jashan, na happiness.
What else? So you said one is English and
Other one is I think that this is my
that's all is a problem.
yes, sir, weakness.
Nothing else.
No, I don't think so.
Your friends might tell you something.
Fitness, sir.
I think it's good. You're running 5.5 kilometers. Sorry, you're walking 5.5 kilometers. What else?
They want me to be in a like a model shape, na?
Like a bouncer.
No, sir, bouncer, no. Lean body.
Lean.
Yes.
You're lean.
But they just don't think so.
They don't think so.
They have certain.
You have to prove everything to your friends.
No, sir. If I need to prove them, so
Do you have any girlfriend?
I have, but now until now I don't have. Earlier I had.
She left you.
No, sir. It's mutual understanding.
There's no mutual understanding.
No, sir. It's a mutual
You
understanding.
never.
Actually,
It is never mutual.
Actually, na, she is neighbor of my relatives. So
You got scared.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Their wall is same, sir.
So
When they caught me, that I don't know the situation what I could like.
they caught you or if they caught
If
you?
they caught me.
That's why
She
you left her.
also feared of that, na, so we made a mutual.
Love can continue on phone also.
But now she's engaged.
Oh.
She's keen to go Canada, so I don't want to. So in multiple.
Canada is a major problem for
Yes,
us.
sir. Yes, sir. Even my other guys also.
You don't want to go to Canada?
No, sir. I want to go there, but as a tourist only.
As a tourist, they can
Yes.
go anywhere.
Yes, sir. Yes. I am open for all options as a tourist.
Okay. Tell me about your parents then. Another person, family, their education, occupation, how do you spend time together? In what activity, general activity at home, interested and involved? Who you approach for help, confide things if needed. And I know about Activities with the neighborhood friends that you have already covered anyway. So, finances, how are you managing? Are you getting some pocket money? If not, then how are you managing your expenditure?
My father name is Mr. Gurman Singh. He is a WTP operator working in Ambuja Cement. His salary is about 35,000 per month. 35,000 per month. My mother is a housewife. Her name is Ms. Tarjit Kaur. Earlier we have a stationery shop. She sat there, but due to we have a huge relatives family, so we have to go somewhere. They have some problem. We need to visit there. So we decided to mutual decided we close the shop. So she is a housewife only. Apart from it, there is my grandfather in my family. His name is Mr. Sujit Singh. He is a retired PSPSC employee.
Everything is coming from a family, and Ambuja also your father, PSPCL is your grandfather.
Actually, thermal is made during the times of
I
my
got it.
grandfather and my father got in Ambuja at that time.
And brother.
And my younger brother, his name is Manjot Singh, and he is currently in Canada for study, Masters of Mechanicals. So,
He is identity.
no, sir, he is gender.
The masters of.
Master in Mechanical.
You have not completed graduation. He completed earlier.
Sir, it is a course of 2-3 years, and their duration is less.
When did he go?
1st January 2024.
Before that, what was he doing?
He is doing here. He is just cleared +2 and went there.
So the name of the course is like that.
Yes, sir.
So what is his plan?
His plans, sir, I am keen to call him here to after some time, but he is keen to stay there only.
Any parents?
Yes, even my mother wants to visit there as a tourist only. But there.
So must be very expensive.
Canada, sir. Yes, sir. It is expensive, but he is a hardworking, and he even don't take any money after he went there.
He's working and financing.
He's part-time. He's working part-time there.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
You are not that good. How are you managing your finances?
So, sir, I tried to do part-time work, but my family restrict me from there. That you do study, we pay finances.
You don't feel like yourself, I should earn something.
Sometimes, but when I get caught, so I would get punishment, so I cannot do.
If you get caught working, you get punished.
Yes, sir.
By your parents.
Yes, sir.
What will they do? Push up.
Push up, they will scold me. They love me a lot. Even my grandfather did not want me to work till my studies.
Your grandfather gets a pension?
Yes, sir.
How much?
12,000.
He was in Punjab, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, there is a policy that they have to submit some amount of money during their working. But he
Where is the PSU then?
It's a PSPC.
It's a public sector unit.
Yes, sir. We will say.
No government unit.
It's a government plan, sir. But it has total 6 units, sir. 2 units are already sold to the private firm.
You talking about SDU in this firm only or something else?
We could join anywhere, sir. There are many thermal plants.
But this only, na?
No, sir. Even Bathinda there is a thermal plant.
This organization only?
Yes, sir. Organization is same.
I thought it was a government organization.
Yes, sir. It has 6 units. Total 6 units. There are 4 are with the government and 2 are on lease for 2 private firms.
Government, I understood, but they're more of a PSU than a government-run institute. Are you getting the difference?
I don't know the difference with PSU and exactly government.
Who will?
I will search it after it.
So what does your parents think of you and what is their worry? What worries them about you? What is their worry, concern कि जश्न का क्या होगा ऐसा?
Sir, concerns about they want me to consistent.
You are consistent.
Yes, sir, but they want more to study out of me. That even I started the grade preparation, I did for 3 months. When my father told me that, why are you studying so much? so, so I put the break for there. Then I can't able to study again. so, so when I got the grade result, he.
Your father don't study.
Yes, sir, he studied, but when I came from college at 4 p.m. After 4:30, I done with the lunch. Then I went for study till 9. So he feels like how you study so much. how you are
Then
studying.
you stop studying.
Yes.
That's the way get you now.
No, sir, I will crack it. Because
Your father
it
will
is
tell
my.
you why you study.
It is a.
Next time you study again, your father will tell why you study.
No, he already promised me to not interrupt him.
You have done a deal with him now.
Yes, sir.
Settled now.
Who, sir?
It is settled now between you and your father that you will study and you will not stop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have promised. Even we have challenged each other for fitness also.
Oh.
How, sir? He he has grown somewhat fat on his tummy. So
What is somewhat?
somewhat like, sir, for me, it's more than earlier. Yes, sir.
Mother, what does she think?
For me, she like a loving child. She always praises another ladies that my son is this, my son is, and I.
What is her son?
She always praises me like he is so good in everything. Like they have a chit chat with each other.
The Canada government is very much against Indian. Recently, you must have heard things are happening in which Canada is not listening to India in a way, if you see. And they also had some issues related to some events that happened. So, what is your opinion?
Sir, if someone is doing mischief there and doing some faulty things like they are like doing races, car races, doing accident, fighting certain fights, so they could get punishment for this. But if you you will be like good display manner. You could study and then work.
No, that's okay. That is personal. Some bilateral issues.
Bilateral issues, sir. Yes, they actually the Canadian resident. His name is Deep Singh Nijjar, and he is short killed there in Canada only.
There was an issue. So,
Yes, sir.
So government is not cooperating with us.
Yes, sir.
So what is your issue?
They are blaming.
You are with India or with Canada?
So of course India. It's my home country.
So they were wrong on that.
Yeah, they are blaming, but they don't have proof for that. That India has killed them.
Okay. What are your hobbies, spare time interests, leisure time activities? What is the routine from morning to evening? Any books that you have read?
Sir, my hobbies are doing traveling, trekking, and trekking. Like listening to doing gym and playing football with my neighbor friends. And my routine is like that. I woke up at 5 p.m. So after taking bath and all the brush, I do 6 a.m. I go for gym. At 7:30, 8 a.m. I came back, and then 9 a.m. I do my breakfast thing, and at 9 a.m. I went for study till I have like various slots of studies like current affairs, GK. After 12, I went for sleep till 2 for rest, and then 2 to 3 I again went for a study, and then 3 to 4 I went for lunch, then 4 to 6 I went for study, 6 to 7:30 I went for playing football. So after 7:30 I came home and doing dinner, and after that I again study.
Study to gate.
Yes, sir. Especially for gate.
That's good. Books any? Acha, tracking you mentioned. Where
Yes,
track?
I have track at Triumph.
Where it is?
It's in Dharamshala, after Dharamshala from 20 kilometers from Dharamshala. And
Go
it starts from Lordgan to the top.
How much?
It's 9 kilometers.
Go on.
No sir, 4 friends, Sahil one. Yes sir.
Stay there only.
On one day we stayed in a hotel at its name is like
Okay, then
backpackers. So we explored the city. Then on the second day we went for trekking. That night we stayed there and in the camping tents. And after returning from there we came back to Kangra. We explored the city and came.
so how many times have you done?
Trek sir. I have done trek one, but there is in future plans I have Valley of Flowers.
But the plan is there. So you've done only one trek.
Yeah, after it I will go there. Valley of Flowers and Nilkut sir.
Have you read any book?
Only sir curricular books. I don't like to read books.
Fine.
I don't know sir. I get bored.
Okay.
I want to more of like animation, like YouTube videos. Or sometimes I have started about
Reading doesn't attract.
No sir. Only Kokal books I have read.
Any geopolitical topic which you want to tell me and interest?
So now Cyprus.
In-
Recent visit of PM to Cyprus.
Prime Minister has gone to Cyprus. That's a news. Any geopolitical?
I have seen a video of it now, so
Okay.
yes sir.
Where is Cyprus? If you locate Cyprus on map, where it is?
It's an Asian country, but it's a part of European also. It's like somewhat down to
Down to means
Turkey,
south of.
south of Turkey and north to Israel.
Not to Israel is Lebanon.
So they are somewhat like it's a small country. No?
Why did Prime Minister chose to go there?
Because Turkey is building good relations with Pakistan and
A friend of a
Yeah.
the enemy of enemy is a friend.
yes, again.
That's all.
Thank you.
Good interview, Jason. Good interview.
Thank you.
Many minor issues, if at all they are there, I will address it. Please write a lot of stories. Right? TAT things we did not write more.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And the PDF, whole PDF you write.
That PDF. Okay, sir.
Start writing, sharing.
Okay.
ठीक है, interview is brilliant, है ना?
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है, बंद कर इसको जरा.